How to hide posts from someone on Facebook. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily hide your post from a specific friend or a group of friends. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your profile section, and for that you tap on the menu icon on the top right and simply tap on your name or profile picture to head over to your profile. And once you are on your profile, you just scroll down, find a post that you want to hide from a friend. So let's say if I want to hide this post right here, I'm just going to tap on the three dots on the top right, and here you have an option to edit privacy. So what this will do is it will appear on your public domain, and everyone on and off Facebook can see this. And if you don't see any options more than this here, then that probably means you have your business account turned on. You just want to turn off your professional account. So go ahead and turn off your professional account first. Then once you have done that, go ahead and close out everything and head over to the same post. So I'm just going to tap on this post right here again, tap on privacy, and you will see more options here. Now if you want to hide this from some friends, go ahead and tap on this one. Select a friend that you want to hide it from or that you want to show from, and go ahead and tap on done. So once you have chosen this person, they won't be able to see your new post. So if you want to create a new post, go ahead and click on post, head over to your profile, and once you get to your home section, you can just go ahead and tap on this what's on your mind. And here you will see your privacy options. So if you want to see more, you can make sure to show it to some specific friends, or you can don't make sure that you don't show it to some friends. So go ahead and choose a list like this, tap on done, and your post from here on out will not be shown to that specific friend. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next one.